MiG-25 Foxbat. The MiG-25 Foxbat is a Russian interceptor capable of reaching Mach 2.83 and remains the fastest combat aircraft still in active service. It was designed to outrun American bombers and is constructed largely from titanium and steel. At maximum throttle, its engines generate extreme heat and begin damaging themselves. Modified variants continue to operate with the air forces of Algeria and Syria. MiG-31 Foxhound. The MiG-31 Foxhound is the successor to the MiG-25 and also reaches Mach 2.83, but with significantly improved combat capability. It serves as Russia's primary long-range interceptor, patrolling vast areas including the Arctic frontier. Its look-down, shoot-down radar was considered decades ahead of its time, and the aircraft continues active patrol operations over Russian airspace. Su-27 Flanker. The Su-27 Flanker is a Mach 2.35 air superiority fighter designed to intercept and destroy enemy aircraft deep within Soviet airspace. The aircraft is known for performing the Cobra maneuver, pitching its nose to approximately 120 degrees while maintaining forward motion. It remains in service with multiple nations including Russia, China, Ukraine, and several others. F-15C Eagle. The F-15C Eagle reaches Mach 2.5 and holds a combat record of 104 aerial victories with no losses. It was designed primarily for air superiority missions. The aircraft continues to serve with the United States Air Force, as well as Japan and Saudi Arabia, where it remains a primary interceptor platform. Chengdu J-82 Finback. The Chengdu J-82 Finback is a Chinese Mach 2.2 interceptor developed as a twin-engine evolution of the MiG-21 concept, scaled for extended performance. Its primary mission is long-range interception, particularly over areas such as the South China Sea. The aircraft remains operational with the People's Liberation Army Air Force. English Electric Lightning. The English Electric Lightning is a British interceptor developed in the 1950s and capable of reaching Mach 2. The aircraft is noted for its exceptional climb performance. A privately operated example remains active in South Africa, making it the only privately owned Mach 2 aircraft still flying. F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor reaches Mach 2.25 and can supercruise at speeds above Mach 1.5 without afterburner. It is the United States' primary fifth-generation air superiority fighter, combining stealth characteristics with thrust-vectoring engines. The aircraft is not exported, and approximately 186 remain operational. Su-57 Felon. The Su-57 Felon is Russia's fifth-generation fighter designed as a counterpart to the F-22. It reaches approximately Mach 2 and incorporates thrust-vectoring engines and low observable shaping. The aircraft is entering frontline service in limited numbers, with Russia planning expanded production through 2025. Its full stealth performance remains classified. Su-35S Flanker E. The Su-35S Flanker E is a Mach 2.25 fourth-generation fighter equipped with three-dimensional thrust-vectoring engines that enable extreme maneuverability. Russia operates the aircraft extensively, and China has purchased 24 units, partly to evaluate its engineering and design. F-15EX Eagle II. The F-15EX Eagle II reaches Mach 2.5 and is the fastest fighter currently in American production. It is an updated version of the F-15 airframe featuring fly-by-wire controls, the EPAWSS electronic warfare system, and a structural lifespan of approximately 20,000 flight hours. The United States Air Force plans to acquire more than 100 aircraft. Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is China's fifth-generation air superiority fighter capable of approximately Mach 2.0. It features a canard delta configuration distinct from most Western fighters. The aircraft has been operational with the People's Liberation Army Air Force since 2017, with production increasing. The WS-15 engine program aims to further improve performance. Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon reaches Mach 2.0 and is operated by 8 nations. It is capable of sustained supercruise above Mach 1.0 without afterburner. Equipped with the Captor AESA radar and a thrust-to-weight ratio above 1, it remains one of NATO's primary air combat fighters. Dassault Rafale. The Dassault Rafale is a French Mach 1.8 omni-role fighter designed for air superiority and strike missions. It has participated in operations in Afghanistan, Libya, Mali, Syria, and Iraq. Operators include France, India, Egypt, Qatar, Greece, and Croatia, with additional export orders continuing. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon reaches Mach 2.0 and is operated by 25 nations. Originally developed as a lightweight day fighter, it evolved into a multi-role combat aircraft used for air-to-air and strike missions. More than 3,000 aircraft remain operational worldwide. F/A-18C/D Hornet. The F/A-18C/D Hornet reaches Mach 1.8 and was designed to perform both air-to-air and strike missions from a single platform. Operators include Finland, Switzerland, Canada, Kuwait, and others. Although replaced in U.S. service, many countries continue to operate the aircraft. Saab JAS-39 Gripen. The Saab JAS-39 Gripen reaches Mach 2.0 and is designed as a compact and fuel-efficient fighter with relatively low operating costs. Operated by Sweden, Brazil, South Africa, the Czech Republic, and Hungary, the aircraft incorporates NATO-compatible data links and multi-role capabilities. Mirage 2000. The Mirage 2000 is a delta-wing multi-role fighter capable of Mach 2.2. It operates without horizontal stabilizers, relying entirely on its delta wing for aerodynamic control. The aircraft remains in service with India, Greece, Egypt, the United Arab Emirates, Taiwan, and Peru. Indian Mirage 2000 aircraft conducted strikes during the 2019 Balakot air operation. Chengdu J-10C Vigorous Dragon. The Chengdu J-10C Vigorous Dragon is a Mach 2.0 single-engine multi-role fighter equipped with an AESA radar and PL-15 beyond visual range missiles. The aircraft is operated by the People's Liberation Army Air Force, and Pakistan operates the export variant, HAL Tejas Mark 1A. The HAL Tejas Mark 1A is India's domestically developed Mach 1.8 multi-role fighter. It features a relaxed stability delta configuration, AESA radar, and Israeli-derived avionics. India has ordered 83 Mark 1A aircraft for frontline service extending into the 2040s. Panavia Tornado IDS. The Panavia Tornado IDS reaches Mach 2.2 and uses variable sweep wings that adjust between narrow supersonic configurations and wide low-speed configurations for terrain-following flight. Saudi Arabia and Italy continue to operate strike variants. Tupolev Tu-160 Blackjack. The Tupolev Tu-160 Blackjack reaches Mach 2.05 and is the largest and heaviest combat aircraft ever built. The bomber carries up to 12 nuclear-armed cruise missiles and rotary launchers. Russia operates 16 aircraft and continues producing additional units. Rockwell B-1B Lancer. The Rockwell B-1B Lancer reaches Mach 1.25 and features variable sweep wings optimized for low-altitude penetration. It can carry up to 75,000 pounds of conventional munitions, more than any other American aircraft. The United States Air Force has deployed it in operations over Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria, and Yemen. Tupolev Tu-22M Backfire. The Tupolev Tu-22M Backfire is a Mach 1.88 maritime strike bomber designed to target naval forces using supersonic anti-ship missiles. It features variable geometry wings and the ability to perform low-level supersonic approaches. Russia continues operating and upgrading the aircraft. Su-34 Fullback. The Su-34 Fullback is a Mach 1.8 strike aircraft derived from the Su-27 platform. It features a side-by-side cockpit configuration that allows crew movement within the cabin, along with onboard facilities for extended missions. The aircraft has been used extensively in combat operations over Syria and Ukraine. Sepacat Jaguar. The Sepacat Jaguar reaches Mach 1.6 and is a Franco-British strike aircraft. India operates the largest remaining fleet, with over 100 aircraft upgraded using Israeli avionics, laser designators, and modern weapons systems.